Alright, it's your boy and I'm what you're seeing again. It's another brand new that I'm here to give you brand new content. Therefore, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. You like and share my videos among your friends because it's very necessary. Today is not a breakdown that we're about to do, but it is an episode of AS3M B3BA because in some way and I get to bring to your notice. There's this particular video going viral. It's going viral. This story that we are about to make is a question that I'm throwing to you, my viewers, my subscribers. So, if you go out to rent a house, do you have any right of like changing the design in the room, the structures, like let's watch the video after we talk more about it. So the video that you watched is about a landlord and a tenant. Tenant ni beje dan say or high fee more beje dan say or high no. And no bet na feel no say if your location way. Baby a fee ne dan car se fa ha. Ni pe twemu ase ni de ni kwan se men kwa metena ha. Enti saa dia wo tutu dan no ahyehye dan foforo. A diner a full house na ye diamond so on tinem no dia disco or the wire party center or the wire yem bosso was a sad diner ma dining to the extent enye dining room the whole house we tapu abetu fie onom na pu na ho why what to say nana one pap say ye kwen and obi ten which landlord na say landlord uboni the house where you gave out to one of your tenants no but say question why if you hu kura on ka say ofie can you say so say soni but I don't know, is it wrong? That's what I'm asking. It's a question that I'm throwing to you. If you go out to rent a house, do you have any right say dan mu color na white, me mpe white, eni ma menye ni blue, ma menye ni green, debi won ha say ma me bu ha say na me fa gate in show sene a me pese me pia metumi pia for me nche ana I don't say cause me I think say tenants na dey ono no hwe sene a bosumi bia efiri me ba beji ni sika na ono so pe means bia efiri ran e ba so beji ni sika because efiri o sika ni na nkoye say uni sika ma me ntu na ade. What do you think? Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, you like and share my videos among your friends.